Alright. We're looking. I mean, there's not really anything pretty much right now. Alright. Big move. What's the news on this? U.S. moving event. U.S. Disabon. Space security. Alright, there's no news on it. So it might just be all tentacles. Tentacles. I can't say the word, right? It's one of the top gainers right now. Oh, it's gonna break. Oh my. People taking their profits. So much. That's what happens. Or that was it, bro. I mean, we were gonna buy in, bro, because it was a good setup to buy, but there was just no pullback. I don't even have my fucking. Oh my gosh, I don't even know how much I can buy. I think 30 or 20. But it doesn't even matter. This thing is moving without us. I'm not even moving. There might not be no trades. I don't know. Don't like the way this looks. Looks kind of garbage. So the volume, I was like, maybe we can push maybe to. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that was just so fast. I got cooked. Maybe it was gonna be a stock that I should have traded at all, bro. That is just unfortunate. That is, it's between like I'm not sure if it was a good trade. I mean, it kind of did. It passed the previous high, and then the volume was high. It was moving, and then that was one of the tricky ones that I don't really know, man. It's really between like if it's a good trade or not, man. But I just got shaken out really bad. Let's see. Oh my. That one right there. Almost 5 bands, guys. This is a hefty loss. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Listen, bro, I don't even have no reaction because it happened so quick, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, it like happened so quick. Like, so you're just like, bro, what I do now, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, it's just, yeah. There's nothing I can do, bro. There's nothing. It's just what it is, bro. Um, it's just wow. It just faked me out so hard, bro. Like, well, I don't understand what happened, but I really have to look that back and see. Like, it looked good, right? I mean, I wanted to buy a little bit sooner for now, buy a little bit high, right? 95, right? Yeah, 195. Bought it a little bit, yeah, right. And I went up a little. I was like pretty good. Next candle, boom, and dipping. This is what I think. Either was a bad. We shouldn't trade these when we see a long wick, regardless. Because sometimes I be trading them too, and sometimes it does. But I think the probabilities of that happening are very slim. So I think that's something I have to implant. Like I said, oh, I might trade. I gotta trade. What is the? I think today I'm gonna do another study. Not another study. What is it called? Past analyst. Like I do these things on YouTube, right, where I analyze my past trades and I learn from my mistakes. Like, okay, I'm keeping my okay, sorry here. I did my strategy, I guess you can say, like, right, I hit previous new high, we could have hit higher and do move up. But the thing is, it ended up quick and reversing. The thing is, I think what it was is that, yeah, I might hit my strategy, but the point is, it wasn't a bullish. It was just this big ass fucking candle that literally reversed quickly, and that's probably what we wouldn't trade when we're trading our strategy. But yeah, man, it just happened so quick, man, and it's just like, bro, what is that now? Oh my gosh, if we would have bought it right there. Like, it pulls back. Packing up to $4 if it pulls back. That's just terrible. It might go back to VWAP. I think once you see a long wick like this, you should really be considering, like, okay, maybe it's not good. I think that's something that I did, and I think we should write that down. You know, I was gonna think of waiting, but to be honest, but no, it should be written down right now. Might as well. That one just freaked me out a lot, so. Since when trading our strategy, you want to look for a stock that did in hey Siri, spell impulsive.
One sec.
Yo, she's slow.
Impulsive. IMPULSIVE.
Okay. When trading our strategy, you want to look for a stock that did an impulsive move and then pull back. Pulls back. Pulls back. And then breaks the previous candle. Okay, there you go. But guys, you gotta make sure you guys write this down because to be honest, bro, this is what I do all the time to make sure that I'm doing what I need to do and stuff. Because honestly, bro, like you saw today, though, like a lot. That's because I'm risking a lot. Obviously, when I have a bigger account and I have more risk management, the way I'm gonna use that is gonna be a lot more safer. The reason why I'm just fucking like spend a little bit too much is because I have a small account. You know what I'm saying? So for me, like it's not gonna kill me. Um, but to be able to grow it, but just to use on low. All right, so now all we're gonna do is draw an example. So the volume must red candle must be low, and the green volume must pass the previous candle. Alright. There we go. I have to write this down now. I was gonna write late, but it's good to be ready right now. So, obviously, I like to draw them in. I don't know about you guys, but I like to draw my things in. Where is it, bro? The thing is, I don't have a mess, guys. It's just that everything. I need to start putting things. It should be over here. I lost it. Probably lost my coloring. I fell or something. Oh, the screen right here. Green is right here, and it's red over there. Both. Come on, just appear. It's up here right in front of me. Bro, I don't even know where it is, bro. I'm not gonna struggle. I seems like I don't have green. Even the green color pencil. Alright, well. If anything, we'll get the point once we draw this green. Well, no, there was 2 colors in this. Okay, well, basically what I noticed today, man, is yes, we're a little bit more disciplined when it comes to strategy. Before then, if you guys would have saw my last year, because last year was basically my first time ever trading. I'm a year deep in, but like I'm a year deep in, so like, I mean the first year I make so many fucking mistakes, man. I'm still gonna make many mistakes here too, but the thing is I'm trying to minimize them. I'm more disciplined. I'm only traded one strategy, but the thing is I gotta master that strategy. Because there's a difference between trading both. There are many different types of bull flag that you should trade and not trade. And right here, basically, it's gonna tell me what bull flags I should trade and what should I avoid. Because that's my strategy. I like it. You know what I'm saying? It makes sense to me, and it makes sense in general. Like, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is always a good reminder to not trade every bull flag because some are different than others. You know what I'm saying? So after that, how we put it right? Just to read it for you guys, basically saying when trading our strategy, you want to look for a stock that did an impulsive move, then a pullback, and then break the previous candle. I don't really go too much specific. Like I'm talking like as you really know what I'm talking about. But basically meaning that you see an impulsive move, right? This is not a great example, but or maybe this one that I saw a good example right here, perfectly. Not this whole thing, but this part right here. All right, you see an impulse move, you see a pullback, and then you want to see the break of 230. All right, so you gotta see if it breaks right here. The stop is gonna be right under here. 280 to 3. Damn, that's a 20 cents loss. I mean, but it's fine. But damn, how much does it go up? It goes 20 cents, so that's a 1-to-1. And then obviously you're paying. A lot of these are 1-to-1. It looks like. But basically, bro, you see, I don't know. Bro, am I better or something? All right, let me explain this again before I fucking forget. All right. So you see impulse move. You see a pullback, and once you see that pullback, this is where you want to look before you even consider taking a trade. First, you want to see if these volumes are higher than this one. It is, and this is a little bit too high of a volume. I'm not gonna lie over red. But you know what? Let's just see how it still plays out. Because sometimes, it didn't extend this, so there's some people that got out, but it's relatively small, not that big and stuff. And then after that, pretty much, you want to see for this candle, see if it breaks the previous candle. And if it does, you want to get in, right? 298, 299, whatever you get in. But you want to see if the break of this candle. After you see that, you want to have the stop right here. And then obviously you want to have to take profits. Usually in the apex level, 325 to 50 and stuff are usually like where I like to get it. And then you kind of just play it, right? And there you go. And after that, taking profit, I like taking profit at apex levels. But I'm noticing right now on the market, since the market right now is not hot, the apex levels, so we'll see. Oh my god, Jimmy out. Is it no hold? I think he might just go back to previous high right here. What the? What is? What? And one seller. I do not know when this is gonna resume. I don't even know when it halted. This will be. There's no pullbacks on that one. Let me see when this is gonna resume back. Oh, we did. I'll take profits. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to trade the halt, don't buy at the halt. Trust me, guys. It's not about halt. Right now, there are times that strategy will work with the halt. But to be honest, bro, I would just recommend, bro, just to not trade them. Ooh, it did a big scroll up. Ooh, maybe you can keep it. I might get one share. Oh my. Oh, it's because they're going up to 165. Look, literally, this is one of the hardest. I mean, yes, it scroll back up, but the thing is, you won't really have a stop loss. The stop loss has to be where you're comfortable just to get out. I can. But you saw how like that, literally, that would be a good trade if it was right here, and then you saw green, you would have saw a big move, maybe to the previous high and stuff. So if it would have broke around 65, you probably get a dollar share. Oh, but yeah. Well, I'm not trading. That's too risky now. But also when the volumes. Let's see. See. I'm putting different types of bull. Still. Okay, to trade. Boom. Perfect. What? This stock is. Oh, and it passed. If it hold this, dude, it went up to 13. But to be honest, a lot of stocks that I noticed. But it's just it's not having a pullback. We need a pullback, and it's going to another halt. Hold on, fake halt. Another halt attempt. Alright, it's holding. Oh, failed. Trying again. Another hold. Oh, failed. Trying another hold. Failed. Oh, you saw that? Look at the volume. From this one, it's going lower, 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 and lower, and lower. Either this is low too, and let's go back up right here, break the next volume. I don't know. Still look very bullish. The thing is, yes, it's a lower volume, meaning that a lot of people are getting out, and not many people are getting in. Now, what this is gonna tell us is what it's telling us is, you know what, this move is done. It just had a big run. It did great. But you know what? It's time to move on, basically. If this stock finished below here, or even if it finished above, this stock is still very disgusting. Like, it's not. I wouldn't want to trade this, you know. And it did finish below. Even if it goes up in halfway, I'm like, come on, it's gonna reverse. Yeah, but we're gonna write different. And before the fight. Okay, hey. Ooh, but that was a good indication of the end of this run, because you see the lower volume, and then obviously that big drop. So examples are big impulse, I think that's pretty much it, right? Is there another example that I've seen that'd be smart to trade? I don't think so. Alright. Look at that. Look at that bullshit, man. Oh, this is how. This is how volume. I'm surprised it didn't hold. That's why you gotta be careful. But this is just so big of a candles and it's so extended and stuff. Now we're gonna do bullflex not J, and this is the one that we, unfortunate didn't. Yeah, we're gonna do the volume. is also like a bit. All right, there. I mean, I did. I look. This takes a while, obviously, guys. Man, I'm not saying this is like super easy. All right. All right. So let me just show you guys. Wait, what if I click? What if I go over here? Where it's still? Oh yeah, it still will. All right. So basically, man. Well, let me look at the camera. My bad. This is. My bad. Oh, what the fuck, man? All right. All right. Well. Maybe that's too bright. Yeah. Fuck. Bro, I don't. Wait, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little dark. This is the only way I think I can look at it. Oh, just focus. Alright, but basically I show you that I roll some stuff. Can't really do that much. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's too bright though, right? This would be good. Alright, you know what I'm saying? Some content. Alright, so basically the first thing the title of this is basically trading the bull flag. Because keep in mind, bro, we saw today I traded the quote unquote bull flag, but bro, like it wasn't a perfect bull flag because there is different type of bull flags that you guys have to consider. And that's what I like to trade. I like trading bull flags. They're the easiest things to really look out for, and you want to keep trading pretty simple, man. So first thing first, basically, the first line reads, this is how to trade a bull flag, okay? When trading our strategy, you want to look for a stock that did an impulse move, right? So stock climbed up, big green candles, maybe two, maybe three, or maybe three strong green candles. You know what I'm saying? All right. Then a pullback, right? So after those do big impulse, you want a little pullback. You saw that we were trying to see a pullback here. We didn't see it, and that's fine. You want to see a pullback. After you see that pullback, you want to look for a break for the previous candle. So right after it breaks the previous red candle and stuff, and it breaks, then that's when we can like decide to take the trade, like you saw in the picture, like I showed you guys in the stream. I wonder if we can see it. What if I just turn this one off? Excuse me. You see? Big impulse, pull back, break the previous. Oh, hold on, I know you can barely see that. Same thing right here. Even if it's two, big impulse, maybe two little red candles. But the second this third wait, 1, 2, 3, fifth candle breaks this candle right here, this red candle, then it's still good. Even if it'll pull back 2 times, that's still fine. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's basically the strategy, bro. So. Alright. So, after we did that, so basically, now we're gonna change different types of foil. There are different types of that don't look as. Oh well, I'm looking at it. I'm supposed to look at you, gang. My bad. All right, so there's different type of bull flags that basically, you know what I'm saying, that basically are bull flag, but they might look a little bit different, but they still qualify as pretty good setups to trade it as a bull flag. Okay, let me show you that now. So there isn't no really what's it called? I didn't wrote anything. I just drew examples, so I'm gonna do that right now. I know I probably should keep this up. I'm probably gonna keep it off for now because low key, like, I need to show you guys, and you know this is good information for you guys. So I know it's not perfect, and this actually we need this to actually focus up though, low key. All right, I think if I put it closer, you can see better. Nice. So you see this? After we saw the big impulse, we're seeing pullbacks, right? Red candle. But then we see this. All right. I'm pretty sure that's called a doji. Don't quote me if it's wrong. Oh, it shows us blurry because I have everything blurry except my face, so I forgot I have that setting. I wonder if I can take that off right now. I don't know if I can take that off right now. Imagine if I can take that off right now though. Settings. I just don't want to screw anything though, low key. But I'm not trying to screw anything up, so I'm sorry guys if it's blurred. I have a setting where it blurs a little bit in my background. You know what I'm saying? Because that's why. But that's probably why it's doing that. So you see, like, when I put my finger around here. Yeah, I don't know. Super good, I guess. Damn, I don't know if I know. But big impulse, little small pullback, and then a little doji. I'm not 100% if that's true, bro. So don't call me gay. So after you see that, man, you want to see a break for the previous side. This can either be green or red. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? If it's green, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? That's fine. You can still trade it. If it's green or red, either one. Now after that, this is a different one that you can trade. So basically, say you see a big impulse and then you see a big rejection, right? You see a big rejection, but then you see a pull back up high. If you see a break, you can trade that too. If you see that, you can trade that too. So don't worry, you can trade that. Because you know what I'm saying? It's showing the strength. It's showing that a lot of sellers came in and started selling off, but then buyers came back and started pushing the price back up. So meaning it might be bullish and people are buying it back up. Now the last thing that we still gotta work on, obviously, is called the bull flags not to trade. Okay, this is you should never. Okay, yeah, I'm saying you should never trade them. I mean, obviously, I traded and look what happened to me, bro. I'm just saying, if you don't want the same thing that happened to me to happen to you, don't trade these. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to save you out there. First of all, the one that we traded today, this one right here, buddy boys, it went up. Big wick. Hold on, my microphone, it might sound trash. Oh my gosh. Go down, bro. Big wick. See that? Big wick. Don't trade those, bro. I made a mistake trading one of those. Even if you see a pullback and come back and pick your favorite side, don't trade it, bro. That's a big of a wick. If it's a small little wick, like I mean a tiny little wick, then all memes, bro, don't be worried, bro. If it's a small wick, bro, don't be scared. You can trade that. That's not big of a deal. You know what I'm saying? If it's a little small wick, say a big impulse and the little small wick, that's fine. If it's small, but if it's a long, this is what I'm trying to say. If it's a long wick, all right, a long, girthy, long. Not just but if it's a long fucking wick, don't fucking trade it, bro. Trust me. You saw me trading it. I got absolutely fucking dogged on, and yeah, we don't want that. Lastly, bro. Lastly, this one right here. You might be saying so, bro. What are you talking about, bro? What's wrong with this? This looks exactly like the first one right here. Well, let me explain this to you, motherfucker. Alright, you see this big impulse, right? Big impulse, great pullback, and then a previous break. But why are we not trading this? Why are we not trading this? Well, if you look down here in the volume, it's hard to look, so I don't blame you guys. If you look at the volume, look, it is high. It's a high red volume. Meaning that, you know what, there's actually a lot of sellers here, and we could possibly potential people selling. Potentially. Not always, but it's a potential, and I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to risk that. Once I see that, I don't want to risk that, and I'd rather just be safe than sorry. So I personally like just waiting for, you know, just a low volume, bro. Like trading those, I'm gonna notice that I have been losing on those, and just like it's not worth it, bro. It's not worth it. Just trade what I showed you, right? The classic big impulse, small pullback, break previous high. Same thing if it's 2 red candles, breaks the previous candle, boom, buy. Other one, like I said, if you say 2 or 3, whatever, if you say 2 candles, one candle going down and then one going super down, and then it comes back up. If it comes back up, then you can buy it. You know what I'm saying? If it comes back up, you can buy it. And yeah, bro, pretty sure everything that I showed you, man, like there's no thing that I'm hiding here, bro. And I'm still learning. I'm figuring things out that I'm seeing, that what makes a valid bull flag, and you know what I'm saying, a valid bull flag to get into. Like I said, you know what the funny thing is, guys, I do remember saying that, oh, you know what, I saw a big move, a big wick, and I still traded it, and I've been knowing that since a while, and I noticed that I traded it again. That's just some things that you gotta fucking focus on, to be like, you know what, I made the same mistake. I gotta write it down, because I never wrote that down. I had it in my mind. I'm like, oh, if I see a big wig, you know, I shouldn't trade it. But if you don't have it down, guys, you're less likely to really remember it and like stick with it. But I remember when I write things down, I tend to remember it better, and you know what I'm saying, and like not do the same mistakes over and over, because from, you know, I'm seeing the pattern, seeing it down like in my fucking face. You know what I'm saying? Anytime I can look at my notebook and be like, oh wait, oh yeah, I should not be doing that. You know what I'm saying? So just to keep you guys a reminder, man, to, you know what I'm saying, always look it out, and if you have something, just write it down. Because just saw me earlier today, literally perfect example today. What happened was, I was looking at my chart. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, I was looking at the charts, and I'm like, dang. I was like, dude, I should write that down. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do it when I do my past trades, thing. Don't do that, bro. Just do it right now. Like, good thing I convinced myself to do it right now, because I know there was gonna maybe be a highly chance that I probably would have forget, and then I'm not doing anything, and then if I don't do anything, I won't learn, and then I'm gonna do the same mistakes, and then I'm far away from becoming a profitable trader. So, you know, if you see a mistake and you see something they keep constantly doing wrong and stuff, write it down and stuff. And trust me, guys, it's way more better than writing down than just trying your best to remember like the top of your head and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me, bro. There's nothing much left, honestly. Other than today we took a really hefty loss, unfortunately. Just part of trading. But you know what? We learn from mistakes. That's why I'm only trading with $100. I'm telling you, I'm only trading with a little bit of money, because at the end of the day, bro, like it's smarter for me to lose a little bit of money and learn than losing a lot of money, and then, you know, able to lose that money that I made hard on me, and then, you know, it's not good. Play safe. I haven't proved myself to be profitable yet, so I think the smart thing I can do is just trade with $100. If I lose that $100, to the end of the day, I'm not tripping. You know what I'm saying? Just $100 fucking. I'm not tripping. I'm nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I think you guys do the same. Trade with a little bit of money. Simple as that. Just with a simple $100. You can do it with $100. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, man. That's pretty much it. I don't really have much to say. Tomorrow's the last trading day. It's Friday, and hopefully we can probably, like, you know what I'm saying, get a good setup, take advantage of it, and make some bread. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.